Most people don't pay their rent. They survive it. Every 30 days, a massive chunk of your hard-earned energy vanishes in a single transaction. It's the largest recurring expense most of us have, yet we treat it like a recurring emergency. If you feel a knot in your stomach when the first of the month approaches, you aren't just paying for a roof. You are paying with your peace of mind. Today, we are changing the architecture of your finances. We are moving from being caught up by rent to making rent work for your long-term system. Why does rent feel so heavy? Because it is invisible until it is due. For 29 days, that money sits in your account pretending to be disposable income. You see a balance of $3,000 and feel comfortable, forgetting that $1,500 of that does not belong to you. It belongs to your landlord. The long game approach is not about finding a cheaper apartment. It is about mental ownership. The moment your paycheck hits, your rent money stops being yours. Within 24 hours of being paid, the rent portion must be moved. If it stays in your spending account, you are borrowing from your future self every time you buy a coffee or a dinner. Systems beat motivation. Automate the friction. Most people follow this script. Income minus spending equals rent if there is enough left. To stay ahead, we reverse it. Income minus rent minus savings equals what you are allowed to spend. This is the sinking fund method. If you are paid bi-weekly but rent is monthly, you have a timing mismatch. Open a separate savings account and label it rent. The second your paycheck arrives, transfer exactly half of your rent into that account. By the first of the month, the money is already there, waiting. You never feel the hit because you never saw the money in your spending balance. You have heard the rule. Do not spend more than 30% of your income on housing. In today's economy, that rule is harder to follow. If your rent is 40 or 50%, you cannot budget harder. You must adjust your lifestyle expectations elsewhere to protect the system. If rent keeps catching up to you, it is usually lifestyle creep. You are trying to live a full life on what is left of your income. Here is the strategy. For 3 months, treat your rent as if it were $200 more expensive. Put that extra money into your rent fund. This creates a buffer month. Rent is a business transaction. If you are quiet, clean, and reliable, you have leverage. Landlords hate turnover because it costs them money. Offer to sign a 2-year lease in exchange for a rent freeze. Ask if there are small maintenance tasks you can handle for a reduction. And stop chasing constant upgrades. Look for value in your current space. Stability is not boring. It is a wealth builder. Paying rent should not feel like a battle. It should be a silent, automated system that protects your freedom. When you master your largest expense, you master your time. Stop playing the short game of making it to the first. Start playing the long game of building a buffer that lets you breathe. If this helped you, subscribe to The Long Game. We are building wealth and peace, one disciplined step at a time. See you in the next one.